In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use Shop Pay Installments to buy now and pay later in smaller payments. Let's get started. If you didn't already know, Shop Pay Installments lets eligible users split purchases into 4 interest-free payments for qualifying orders, making online shopping a lot more flexible. To get started, find first an online store powered by Shopify that supports both Shop Pay and Shop Pay Installments. Once you have found a supported store, choose the product you want to add it to your cart and then head over to checkout. At the top of the checkout page, you should see the Shop Pay option under Express Checkout. Tap on it and continue to the payment section. In some cases, you may need to enter a valid shipping address before installment options become available, especially if the service only works in certain regions like United States. After entering your address, scroll down to payment option and switch from Pay Now to the installment plan option. You'll usually see a breakdown showing how much you will pay every 2 weeks with no interest or hidden fees for eligible purchases. From there, enter your card information including card number, expiration date, and security code, then continue to payment plans. Finally, review the installment schedule, confirm your plan, and complete checkout. Once approved, your first payment will be charged immediately and the remaining payments will be deducted automatically based on the schedule. That's basically how you can use Shop Pay Installments to split your payments and shop more conveniently online. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.